Michael Gaffney, American School of Flower Design. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hand-tied bouquet. Here's my ingredients. I've got stock, white and purple. I've got some yarrow, I've got some roses, I've got some Asiatic lilies, and some Monte Cassino. How exciting. First you want to prep your flowers. See what I'm doing? I'm stripping off the leaves using my hand. These lilies, you're going to want to strip off most of these leaves. When you're doing a hand-tied, you need your hands to hold a lot of flowers, so you want to get rid of the foliage, which will fill up your hand. Your roses, I stripped several roses already. Remove the thorns 2/3 of the way up, down. Never, ever strip your roses naked. So, the Monte Cassino, I'm going to work some of this leaves off again to give me more room in my hands. When I'm putting together the bouquet, strip off the lower section. Now, people love this bouquet. It's going to stand on its own stems. I'm going to show you how to do it. So now I've prepped all my flowers. Give them a little cut. You don't need everything that long. And watch. Cross to the left, turn to the right. I'm going to mix up the flowers. Cross to the left, turn to the right. Cross to the left, see slightly past the vertical line, turn to the left. I'll put some lilies in there. I'm going to put some more roses in there. Crossing and turning the whole way. Cross to the left, turn to the right. I'll put some stock in there. Cross to the left. Everything's about the same height. I call it a flat top. You want a nice flat top in there. I'll put some more lilies. Cross the left. You need nice sturdy stems to make one of these. You can't use real soft stemmed flowers. It won't work. That's right so far. It's pretty already. Oh, don't forget your filler. There's some Monte Cassino I'm throwing in. Cross the left, turn to the right. Cross the left, getting prettier and prettier. Turn to the right. Keep going. White stock. Purple stock. Purple stock. I'm going to get as much as I can in my hand. I'm going to show you how you finish this baby. More roses. Customer screaming, more roses. Cross the left, turn to the right. Cross the left, turn to the right. If something's flopping, the next time you come around, you can just use something to prop it up. Like a nice summer country bouquet. Cross to the left, turn to the right. Look at my hand, holding those all in place. You can do it. I'm gonna go back, add some more yarrow, a few more lilies, some more of everything. It's like the Ronco design machine, I call it. It kind of makes it pretty without even trying. Crossing and turning, crossing and turning. When you get to the last 10 steps, you kind of look at where you need them or what you need. I'm going to put a few more rows in here so I can charge them a little bit more money. And a little bit more yarrow. No, I don't need yarrow over there. Yarrow over here. I know you're going to say your hands can't hold it. When your hands can't hold it, you move it down about 1/4 of an inch and you'll get 10 more stems in there. Just slide your hand down and you're going to get more in your hand than you ever thought you could. The important thing is to really angle these. When you angle them, you can hold more as opposed to standing straight up. So everything is angled to your design. I'm going to take something and prop up that hanging rose. I'm getting to the size I want. Put in a few more flowers. And then I'm going to show you, that's when the magic begins. That's a good looking bouquet. I'm going to take my bark covered wire, which is like a thick covered wire. Here's what a full roll looks like. You can get it at your local wholesaler. I'm going to take my bouquet, I'm going to clear the runway. I'm going to take my cording, I'm going to put it right underneath that finger like that. It's going to hold it in place. And I'm going to pull nice and tight, high up, a couple times around. And I'm gonna grab the two reins of my horse. See it? Right there, these two ends, that one and that one. I'm gonna pull it tight. This is the tricky part. Pull it really tight. Take a picture of my finger underneath those reins like that. Then you're gonna stand back, give it a whirl. Holding on to those reins. Then, come forward. Here's the next part. You're gonna chop this. You can cut these off. You're gonna chop it, squeeze these together. That's important. Chop it straight across. Like that. Now, clear the runway. You're gonna stand it straight up. Get a picture of my fingers down below, how I hold it. Right above the cord, 2 fingers. Got it? I'm gonna tap it. And when you tap it, look what happens. It forms into bouquet. Let go, photograph that up and down on top. There is your standing bouquet. You actually get those stems on their own, all splayed out underneath. That's how you do it. Alrighty, Flower School 101. For more information, join us in classes. Go to Flower School 101, American School of Flower Design with locations in 17 cities.